Hello everyone. I would like to show you how do you get to your Edmode classroom to upload your home voice clip homework. Here, this is our class. And when you get in here, you will see the post here from Miss Chen. The post here, there is that's a lesson 1 recordings, page 10 and page 11. Here is the tab. When you click on open, then you will see here is the place you can upload your homework, your voice clip. You can attach it here. You can link it, the file from computer, or you can upload it from your cell phone, or you can create. This is create Word document, PowerPoint. We don't need to use this one since today we are going to upload our recording. So when you record, you can use Vocaroo to record. Vocaroo homepage is like this, vocaroo.com, VOCAROO.com. You can click on this to record your voicemail. You need to allow that to reach your microphone. And once that start to blinking, it's already recording here. And once you finish your recording, you just need to click to stop. And once that is stop, you can say click here to save. Then it will save, and there is address, the voice clip address. You can just highlight it and copy it, and copy this link, and then you can turn it in to here. So you just turn it in here, link from web. Then here, just paste what you have is your first recording, and you are going to have your second one and your third one. So here, and attach. This is how you can send in your recording homework. This is the first one. So let's say you are going to turn in your homework the second time. So still you go back to the when you get in here, and you will see the turning homework page. Then you can say open. You already have the first recording, and you can turn in your assignment again. Then let's say you have another recording. Then you can come to here, say attach, link from web. Oh, here it goes. So you can attach your second one, your second recording, and say attach. Okay, this is how you turn in your first and second and third recording. So everyone, if you have any question, you can let me know. then this is how you are going to turn in your recording homework. That way I can grade it your homework here, and I can listen to your voice clip from here. And thank you. Let me know. Have a good recording. Thank you. Bye. Hello everyone. I would like to show you how do you turn in your voice clip here today from Edmode. The first thing you need to do is go to your recording app. You can record from your computer. You go to Vocaroo, VOCAROO online voice recorder. When you click onto the Vocaroo, you need the recording button will be there, and you just need to click on the button and allow the microphone to access your recording. Then at this time, when this red blinking box, that means it's already recorded. So you just record whenever you read your assignment, what I ask you to do. Then after that, you just click to stop. Once you finish, click the stop. And this, then at this time, when this, click to stop. Okay, here, click here to save. It will generate the address. You just need to copy the address and go to your Edmode page. Edmode page, when you get in there, there is a classroom. This is the class 2019 and 2020 LLCB1. Click on the this class. When you scroll down, you will see the homework box here. The homework is bottom here, in the bottom here. All the homework listed it out, and all these are the recording, what you are going to listen to. Then on top of that, this is where you are going to turn in your recording homework. Click on the button here. That's it, open. This is where you are going to turn in lesson 1 recordings, page 10 and page 11. And there are, since you already copied the link, so you just click on attach. Attach the link from web. You can just paste it here. Then here you can say this is lesson 1. Lesson 1 recording. First recording. Or later on you are going to maybe tomorrow you are going to recording the second recording and third recording, and you can just say click on attach. That will attach your homework here. And one day you can turn in several different ones, and if you don't feel satisfied with this recording, you can just remove it. So let's say the second day. Now next day you coming back and you are going to turn in your homework. The same thing. Click on this button, click on this classroom, then click on open for lesson 1 recording. And then you can click on turn in assignment. Are you ready to turn in your assignment? You say yes, turn in. So here, this is a revision one for now. So you can, let's say you already record from Vocaroo or any other recording apps, then you can just click on attach, then link from a web. Same thing, you can just paste it here, and here you can say lesson 1, the second second recording to turn it. Just need to attach it. So your second recording is here. So you can do multiple times when you turn it in. I ask you to do 3 times a week, in different days. So please do so, and turn in your homework it here. This is the block where you are going to turn in your homework. Let's say where it is. It's from your home page. Let's see. When you click in your classroom, and it's the classroom. The block will show here. All the it's in a sequence. So if you don't find it, you can just scroll up and down, and you will find the recording block. This is the recording block, and this is the place where I was telling you where you can record. You can use the Vocaroo to record your voice clip. Okay, so please do so. To open your homework here, and you can do the recording to submit or resubmit. See, we already done two submission, so you can resubmit. So every time, the second time, the third time, you just need to do resubmit. So just resubmit it here, and do the attach link, attach from web. Then the box will show. Then you just need to paste it here, and then you can see this is maybe this is the third time. Lesson 1, third time. Lesson 1 recording, third time. The third recording, and attach it. So you are going to have third attach. Then turn it in. So this is how you are going to turn in your homework, and the teacher will see your homework has been turned it in. Then teacher can grade it from it. Thank you, and let me know if you have any question. Thank you, and have a nice day.